Oppo recently introduced a new budget smartphone in the market, the Oppo A18. The handset was launched in India on Friday following its initial unveiling in the UAE in September. It is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio chipset and has an and-Hulk display. It packs a dual rear camera unit and is offered in two color variants with a single storage option. The company recently launched the Oppo A38 in the country and shares the processor and battery with the Oppo A18. Oppo A18 has been launched in India in a lone 4GB 64GB variant priced at Rs. 9,999. The phone is available in glowing black and glowing blue color options and can be purchased through the official Oppo online store and other retail stores across the country. Oppo A18 comes with a 6.56 ITHU 1612x720 pixels IPXLC display with a refresh rate of 90 Hz and a peak brightness level of 720 nits. It is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio 5-SoC paired with Mali G50, 2 Mach2 GPU and ships with Android 13, based ColorOS 13.1. For optics, there's a dual rear camera unit on the Oppo A18 that includes an 8-megapixel primary sensor and a 2. The front camera has a 5-megapixel sensor placed in the center, aligned water drop notch at the top of the display. The smartphone packs a 5,000 mAh battery and features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Connectivity options on the phone include 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3 GPs, and USB Type-C. It also comes with a 3.5mm audio jack. The phone weighs 188 grams and measures 160, 3.70. Form X70, Form X70, Form X8.3mm.